Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to add a payment method on your Subway online account. Open the website subway.com, then click on the profile icon. Now, sign in with your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you will see another profile icon at the top right side of the screen. Click on the profile icon. Now, you will see an option for payment methods. Click on Payment Methods. On this page, you will see an Add Payment Method button. Click on Add Payment Method. Now, select the payment method you wish to add by clicking the drop-down arrow on the first field. In this video, I'll be adding a credit card, so I selected credit/debit. After selecting, enter all the required information. Review all the information, and if everything looks good, click on Save. And now your payment method has been added. That's how you add a payment method on your Subway online account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.